Just add a mindful minute. Even if you just do it before the kids are going to sit down and do some sustained silent reading, you can have a little cool down kit where every student brings in a brown bag 2 or 3 items from home, nothing of high value, that they find soothing or calming. Might be a piece of fabric, might be a picture, a bar of soap because it has a really good smell. So kids can have those sorts of things. So like I said, at home, don't make timeout a punishment. At school, going to your cool down kit is not a punishment. Like, okay, we're all going to take a 5-minute cool down. We have a big test coming up, or before we take or before assembly, where we're going to be sitting in the gym for 45 minutes, everybody take 5 minutes with your cool down kit. Make sure that you have realistic expectations. So if as a cohort, your whole class is going through a lot of stress, or if you know there's a subset of kids in your class who've gone through a lot of stress, or if you know one particular student has gone through a lot of stress, alter your expectations. So maybe we don't have to rewrite our spelling words 12 times each word or 6 times each word. Maybe we can just make it 3 times each word. Or maybe we can break it up so that you've got 3 nights to get this done instead of 1 night to get it done. Give a lot of movement breaks, getting up, moving around, get the wiggles out, whatever you want to call it. Use multiple modalities for instruction. So like I said, show and say. Let them do projects around what they're interested in. So bring in their interests as much as possible. Divide assignments into smaller segments. Allow for shorter work periods, like 5 minutes or 8 minutes instead of 20. And talk to the child about what is making them anxious or uncomfortable at school in a way that's appropriate. Structure the timing of the day in a way that makes sense. So if you have kids who've been through some trauma or kids who the morning is very stressful, allow their first period of the day to be a class that it's okay if they're not there for, or a class that it's okay if they miss.